People are able to get extremely close to creative eruptions, including submarine volcanoes. Those are the ones that are underwater, submerged, submarine, because these eruptions are gentle enough that they do not put the people in danger. Here's a sentence the author gives us. In fact, we inch up as close as we can to these eruptions, even underwater, to watch the landscape changing. The last word we will learn today is inch. Inch means about the same thing as move, with this important difference. When people inch, they move a little at a time. The author uses the word inch because she wants to make clear that although people are usually safe near creative eruptions, they still behave cautiously and move very carefully, inching their way forward when approaching an active volcano. I have some GIFs that'll show you, demonstrate inching as well. They're actually inching backwards, but here's one of Homer who decides to inch backwards and get hidden, and then this girl is inching away, just to give you a visual of what inching might look like. So now we're going to think about in which situations people might inch along or inch up to something, or sometimes I think they would inch away from things. So everybody please say the word inch. And now go back to your Google form and finish the activities.